Hi, just a short little movie here just to show you the new Accent Ai2 filter in Luminar. It's basically an all-in-one filter. It uses artificial intelligence, so you just basically use one slider to do nearly all of the work for you. Here you can see I'm using it on a picture that's been taken into the sun on purpose, and it brings the dark areas up and doesn't bring the overexposed areas up, it takes them down a touch. And I've just gone into the raw editing mode just to bring the darkness up a little bit, but depending on the sort of results you're looking for, you can just use the Accent Ai2 filter, and on most pictures it's sufficient by itself without delving into the raw editing part of it. But this picture obviously was taken into the sun on purpose, so that makes it quite a difficult one to edit. We'll look for another one now and give it a try on something maybe a little bit easier to work with. Oh, this is quite a nice one. I might have a better shot of this somewhere. That's a bit better. Cable's not so prominent in that, so the picture looks quite a bit better. So there you see the Accent Ai2 filter is doing just about all the work it needs to do there. It's bringing the sky looking, the blues in the sky looking nice, bringing the greens quite good, and that picture really is good to go there. But I'm just gonna bring up the foliage filter there just to darken the greens a bit, because people on different monitors and different settings don't see everything as I do. And here's the before and the after, which you can also do quite easily in Luminar, so you can see for yourself the difference. Just 2 minutes editing on a picture. It really does make everything very easy. It's a lot cheaper than Lightroom and a lot of other programs, and very powerful.